Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is another training video. In this video you will see the different type of protocols and network ports. So in this topic you will receive two or more questions in actual exam also. So let's go to the first slide. So let's see the different protocols and network ports. So TCP and UDP protocols. So TCP is a transmission control protocol and UDP is a user datagram protocol. So send information from one device to another. So transmission control protocol is a connection oriented protocol. Establish a connection. Data can be sent both ways. TCP is all about reliability, waiting system to check for errors. Guarantee data will be delivered in the right order. TCP is perfect for images, data files, web pages, and emails. And user datagram protocol is a connectionless protocol. Data is continuously sent to the recipient, whether or not they receive it. No error checking or confirmations. Great for real-time communications, live broadcasts, online multiplayer games. This is the difference between the TCP and UDP protocols. So TCP requires an established connection to a transmit data, which should be closed after transmission is complete. And UDP is a connectionless protocol with no requirements for opening, maintaining, or terminating a connections. TCP can guarantee a delivery of data. UDP cannot guarantee delivery of data. TCP is able to transmit lost packets. UDP is no transmission of lost packets. TCP is extension error checking capabilities. UDP is basic error checking capabilities. TCP is a slower and UDP is a faster than TCP. So let's check the common protocols and the TCP UDP ports they use. So network ports. So what is the meaning of network ports? A network port is a process specific or an application specific software construct serving as a communication endpoint which is used by the transport layer protocols of internet protocol suite such as user datagram protocol, UDP, and transmission control protocol, TCP. So let's check the first protocol. The first protocol is a file transfer protocol, FTP. So one of the most used file transfer protocols, moves file from one system to another, uses TCP port 20/21. So let's move to the next protocol. The next protocol is the secure cell, SSH, secure management of network devices at the command level, uses TCP port 22. So let's move to the next protocol. The next protocol is a telnet. Telnet is used in management of network devices at the command level, only provides an unsecure connection, not recommended over public networks, uses TCP port 23. So let's check the next protocol. The next protocol is the simple mail transfer protocol used to transfer email between mail servers, used when end users send an email to a mail system, uses TCP port 25. Let's move to the next. The next protocol is domain name system, DNS, translate domain names into IP addresses used on public and private networks, uses TCP UDP port 53. So let's move to the next protocol. So next protocol is the dynamic host configuration protocol, DHCP, used to assign an IP address to devices, uses ports UDP 67 and 68. Next is hypertext transfer protocol, HTTP, used to display web pages. Data transfer is unsecure and unencrypted, uses TCP port 80. So let's move to the next. Next protocol is hypertext transfer protocol, secure, HTTPS, also used to by browsers to display pages. Encryption done via SSL or TLS, uses port TCP port 443. So let's move to the next protocol. Next protocol is post office protocol, POP version 3, means POP 3, used to retrieve emails from a server, uses TCP port 110. So let's move to the next protocol. Next protocol is the Internet Message Access Protocol, IMAP, used to retrieve email from a server, supports a wider array of remote mailbox operations, uses TCP port 143. So let's move to the next protocol. Next protocol is the Simple Network Management Protocol, SNMP, collecting and organizing information about managed devices, uses TCP/UDP ports 161 and 162. So let's move to the next protocol. Next protocol is a net bias over TCP/IP NetBT Center protocol used to interconnect Microsoft Windows devices. Communicates on TCP/IP ports 137, 138, and 139. Next protocol is Lightweight Directory Access Protocol (LDAP). Mechanism for accessing and maintaining distributed directory information uses TCP/IP port 389. Let's move to the next. Next protocol is Server Message Block (SMB). Foundation of Microsoft Windows Networking Capability. Common Internet File System (CIFS). Uses TCP port 445. Next protocol is Remote Desktop Protocol (RDP). View the remote desktop of a devices across the network. Uses TCP port 3389. And this is the TCP/UDP port cheat sheet, easily remembering all the ports and the protocols. If you can see the picture, the files, TCP 20 port FTP, FTP uses 21 port, SMB CFS uses TCP 445 port. In email, SMTP uses TCP 25 port, POP3 is a 1110, IMAP is a 143. In web, HTTP uses TCP port 80, HTTPS TCP uses 403. In management, SSH TCP uses 22 port, Telnet uses 23, SNMP 161, SNMP TCP UDP 162, RDP TCP ports 3389. Utilities, DNS uses TCP 53 number port, DSCP uses UDP 67 port, DSCP uses UDP 68, NetBIOS uses 137, 138 and 139. LDAP uses TCP UDP port 389. So you have completed this model, so study hard, good luck and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel to see more video like this. I will upload next part shortly. Thanks for watching. Thank you.